All right, hello everybody. This is the first video for you to watch, but you only need to watch this if you need it, okay? Because before we start standard deviation, there are some terms that we need to review here that will be important to this unit. So those terms are the mean, mode, median, and range. So if you remember learning these from 6th and 7th grade or from when we've used them earlier in the year, then you don't have to watch this video and you can do the sheet with the first 10 problems. And please remember to upload that to Canvas. So let's remember that the mean is the average. And to find an average, we add up all the numbers in the data set and then divide it by the total numbers. The median is the middle term. The mode is the term that occurs most often, and the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. Okay, so if we start with our first data set, and it's going to be a lot easier if you put it in order from least to greatest. We're going to have 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, and 9. Okay, so when I add up all these numbers together, I get a total of 45. Now in my number set or data set here, I have a total of 8 numbers. So 45 divided by 8 is going to give me the average. And so my average comes out to 5.625, which could just easily round to 5.6. Okay, so that is your mean for this data set. Now, the median is the number in the middle. So if you remember how to find the median, we just begin crossing off numbers. And since I have an even number set, I'm going to take those two numbers that are in the middle, which are 5 and 6, and I'm going to add 5 plus 6, which equals 11. I'm going to divide that by 2, and that means my median, or my middle number, is going to be 5.5. Because 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5. Then my mode is the number that occurs most often. So if I look at this data set, I've got 2 5s and 2 6s. So in this case, 5 and 6 would be the mode because you can have more than one mode. And then finally, the range. To find the range, I'm simply going to subtract the smallest number from the largest. Okay? So 9 minus 3 equals 6. So that means I have a range of 6. All right, so that's number 1. Now if we look at number 2, my data set for number 2 is 3, 3, 3, 7, and 9. All right, so the same thing is I'm looking first to find my mean. So if I add all these numbers up together, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus another 9 is 18, plus 7 equals 25. Then I have 5 numbers in the data set, so 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So here my mean, or my average, is 5. Now to find the median, same thing, I just start crossing off numbers from each end of the data set, and the number I arrive at in the middle is 3. And since this is an odd set of numbers, it's going to be simple to find my median this time. The mode, of course, is the number that occurs most often, which I have 3 3s here, so my mode is 3. And then the range is going to be that larger number minus the smaller number, so 9 minus 3 equals 6. So again, I have a range of 6. Okay, so hopefully this has been a good review for you. If not, come up on the Google Meet with me or email me and we can set up an alternate time to Google Meet. All right, so once you finish this, go to watch these next 2 videos that I have linked in your assignment, and then you'll need to look at standard deviation manually. All right, so see you on the next video.